founder of Vista Academy. So that Vista Academy has introduced a new course which is Data Analytics Training. So what is this course about and how your student can be benefit from it? So let's learn in this program. So learn the skills in data science and data analytics. That's what we are doing here at Vista Academy. So we are pioneer of data analytics education in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. So we have started these courses for students who are looking forward to make a very bright career in this field. So Vista Academy is private institute in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. We provide training in the field of computer software for data science and data analytics. So it's basically a computer skill development course. So what are the content here? Let's check it one by one. What is data analytics? Who is data analytics? Responsibilities of data analytics. Skills required to be data analytics. Titles of data analytics. Salaries of data analytics. And why you should join Vista Academy to make a career in this field. So let's start from the beginning here. What do you mean by analyze? Analyze means to scrutinize something to find useful conclusion from it. So it is basically finding the right thing from scrutinizing different things. Okay, like you will do it even in in your real life also. You will scrutinize and finally you make your decisions. Similarly is the process of analyzing something and finding something fruitful from it. You will do like when you will playing some games, cards, even that you will analyze. So all these things are the things. So what is data analytics then? So analyze means to scrutinize something to find a useful conclusion from it. By studying and examining carefully these insights and extracting meaningful insight from such hidden patterns, market trends, customer preference are done by studying of procured data. So data depends upon data. We have to understand it. Like there is millions and trillions terabytes of data in the world. There are a lot of data. So to find out meaningful insight from data, like companies are collecting such data. They need people who will collect such data and find out something useful. From that they can generate profit. They can find what is the market trend going to be, and even like data is from your social media networks or even from the inner customers and even the financial data. So all these data needs to be analyzed and finally finding out what is beneficial for the company and for the people, for the society. It will be used in anything. It will be used by the government to find out how they can cater their services to their people, and even by scientists to find out and track about what can be the next pandemic and how they can improve their medicines, how they can improve the life of people in hospitals. So all the fields require these data analytics. So it's a very vast field. What are the responsibilities of data analytics? Working with technology team, management and data scientists to set goals. So they have to maintain collaboration with different people in the organization who are dealing with you, and they have different designation and different posts. So you have to make collaboration with them, and like you have to join the meetings. You have to find out conclusions, and all these things will be done with them. Mining data from primary and secondary source, cleaning data to get rid of irrelevant information, analyzing and interpreting results using statistical tools and techniques. So there is a need of statistics if you are doing a data analytics course. So need of statistics is there. Pinpointing trends and patterns in data sets, providing data reports for management, designing, creating, maintaining database and data systems, fixing code problem and data, they can identify new opportunities for process improvement issues. So all these things will be done when you will be in the job. Reason why everyone should learn data analytics. So there is a question you should understand why people should learn it. Gain problem solving skills. So data analytics is basically solving a problem. Like there are a lot of problems. Every company has some problems, so they have to find the solution of them. Like why their sales is not coming up, and why their product is not selling. What will be the new trend in the market? So all these things should be done with the help of data analytics. is the outcome of that benefit. How many customers have get finding, like something finding for customers and happy people around you is the goal. High demand, it's in high demand. So now as the role of technology is increasing day by day, and most of the companies are going toward data, the role of data analytics is increasing. Analytics is everywhere. So with data analytics everywhere, you will find it in every field. You will have various job titles from which to choose. So when you will join a company, so there are different roles and titles, job titles for you. So you have to choose from that where you would like to go. Adopting rate of big data analytics is high. So more and more company going toward it. So rate of adopting of big data is high. Develop new revenue stream. So it's basically for companies to finding out the right way to generate more profits. What you should learn in this program? Data course are pursued by candidates aspiring to be business manager, business leader in future. So if you want to join a company and like to be a business manager or business leader, so you definitely should learn this course. So data course has to gain consumer insight from a large consumer data set. So companies have a lot of customer data. So from that data, you will help companies to generate more revenues, creating more products, finding right trends. All these things will be done with the help of you people. Statics for data. So these are some of the tools like you should learn while pursuing the course, like statics. First of all is statics. Why statics is used? Statics methods are mainly used to ensure that your data are interpreted correctly and that understand relationships are really significant or meaningful, and it is not simply happen by chance. Actually, the static analysis help to find meanings to the meaningful numbers. So statics is a number game, so you have to understand the statics. So first of all, you will learn the statics in the program. Then you will learn Excel for data analytics. So why you should learn Excel? A successful Excel spreadsheet will organize raw data into a readable format that makes it easy to extract actionable insight. With more complex data, Excel allows you to customize field and function that make calculation for you. So Excel have a lot of formulas. So you will learn all those formulas and you can implement those formulas to find out the right data from it and to analyze the data. So all these formulas, and you can even make sheets, you can even be dashboard from Excel. So all these things will be helpful. SQL. So SQL, it can be used to access large amount of data directly where it's stored. Analyze, don't have to copy data in further application. You can directly do that. So that is the benefit of SQL. So you have to learn the commands of SQL also. And simultaneously, like with this course, we will also help you to work on live projects. We have some live projects here. And so that practical approach is needed. So we will give you some practical exposure in this. Tableau is also there, one of the software. So it's basically an interactive, like it make your data into interactive charts and graphs. So in visual form, it looks more better, and you can analyze it more better, and you can make better decisions with that. Then coming on Power BI. Power BI is also very good tool for visualization. It's cloud-based analysis service that provides rapid insight and is used to extract and visualize data. Then comes your Python. Python is a language. It's an object-oriented programming language. So Python built-in analytics tools can also easily penetrate, pattern correct, correlate information in extensive sets and provide pattern insight. In addition to other critics metrics in evaluating performance. So all these tools are very important if you are starting your career in data analytics. So salary, what salary you will earn? So first of all, we will go to the salary. So at entry level, you can up to 3 somewhere around 3 like 50,000 somewhere around. And after with experience 1 to 4, you can earn up to 4 lakh to 4 lakh, and 5 to 9 you can earn up to 7 lakh. So it's a very great feeling. So at the entry level, you will get a start in good companies. So that is the help. FAQ. So to Vista Academy have placement support after like the completion of the course. Yes, Vista Academy provide 100% placement support for after completion of this course. So we will help you out to find out the jobs. We have another a portal from where you will find jobs through Vista placements. From there you can find jobs also for you. Next is, do we get online training? Yes, Vista Academy also provide online training in classroom. We have both online and classroom training for data science and engineering. But we will, I will recommend you to, you can come for classroom training. So because there will be more interaction and more practically, so this discussion will be there. So we can connect with each other. Is this was effective for individuals who are in IT profession? Like if you don't have any technological knowledge, will it respond? Is it good for you? And even with the structured thought process, like if you have a structured process, then logical thinking, logical skills, thinking skills, and willing to acquire new tools, as well as sound business perspective, can enter the field of data science or data. Anyone can do this course. There is no requisite, and you need to be a IT expert or something. So anyone from the beginning, and we are starting this course from the scratch for everyone. Next, what are various job titles? Like after, when you will enter in this field, there are different job titles. You will be known with different job titles: like visualization specialist, machine learning expert, analytical solution architect, big data solution, business intelligence specialist, big data analyst, data science chief, data administrator. These are the several your job titles with the data analytics will be called. So we are located in Dehradun, Vista Academy. This is our address. This is our website. Our number is 9411178245. This is another number. So students, if you will like to join us, you can join soon and make a very good career in this field. As per Times of India, there are 11 million jobs coming in this field till year 2026. So 11 million means in crores, lot of jobs in this field. So please join this course and get a good job and a very handsome salary.